guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Adebigbe Isaac Bamilerin, the CEO of DBD Concepts. In today's video, where I will explore how to create innovative online solution, where I will hold you by the hand and guide you how to create a functioning VTU website. Guys, that is virtual top-up website that can pay bills with S. Alright? You may be wondering, what is VTU? That is virtual top-up. A virtual top-up is a fast and secure way to recharge prepaid mobile and data plan. With a virtual top-up website, you can provide an online platform for your users to pay their bills, purchase airtime, data plan, WAEC and NECO pins, and many more without leaving their homes. The VTU business is among the most versatile and lucrative business to start up in Nigeria. Before we dive into the details, let's explore the benefits of creating a virtual top-up website. With a virtual top-up website, you can earn a commission of each transaction made on your platform. Guys, you can also improve your customer engagement and retention, which leads to increased revenue. Besides these benefits, you can also expand your customer base by partnering with various mobile operators and other bill payments organizations. At this point, you'll be wondering how to create and own a VTU website of your own. Don't worry, this video is for you. I will show you step by step on how to create and manage the VTU websites. So don't skip any part of this video. Just follow me as I move on. Okay, if you are a returning viewers and also this is the first video you are watching from me, wow, you are welcome. Just follow my channel and turn on the notification bell. Therefore, YouTube will notify you whenever I drop another wonderful video like this. And don't forget to comment, like and share. So therefore, if you want to create and build responsive VTU websites, even you want to create for yourself or for your clients using WordPress, this class is for you. Guys, this is the ultimate course to get started with and master. For the sake of a complete novice to the technical aspect of the website, let me explain WordPress web development. WordPress is a content management system, that is CMS, that is used to create and build drag and drop websites. No coding required, because plugin does the magic of what? Of coding. In the world, and according to statistics, 78% of the overall websites and blogs are built with WordPress using the most powerful PHP scripts. With WordPress websites, you can create almost any type of website and add the functionality with the help of plugins. What is plugins? Plugins are elements that add the functionality and extend the features of a website. Can you see, guys? There are other things that you also need to create a VTU website. Let me quickly list them. You need a web hosting, you need a domain name, and then you need a VTU script. And this VTU script, it came with the plugins needed for the website to function very well. We made mention of domain name and web hosting. Domain name is just like a trading name that you call your business, such as Michael's Fashion Sword or Naked Concepts. But here it has a unique identifier that is called domain extension that makes the address different from other similar names. For example, bbdconcepts.com.ng. BBD Concepts is the trading name, but .com.ng make it different from any other BBD concept on the internet or elsewhere. Actually, domain extension has a lot of power on how a website domain name stands and what to use it for. Alright, do not be confused here. We have many domain name extensions to choose for, and stand out from their crowd. Alright, we have a top level domain name extension and country level domain name extension and many more. Web hosting is just like a storage or warehouse where your content is being stored on a server and being retrieved anytime there is a request for it by your customer or web visitors. On this channel, I have created a video on how to register reliable and very cheap domain name and hosting with free SSL. You can also check the description below for your VTU scripts. In this course, I'm going to teach you how to create VTU website, that is virtual top-up website, popularly known as payment sites, where your customer can buy that airtime and data directly from your website, automatically, no manual stress. Once you get everything set up, your website is up and running on the web online. Anybody from any part of this country can go to your website to buy from you. You can sell airtime, data, electricity payments, example, more feature inside this plugin. And you can accept multiple payment gateway your customer would like to use to pay you, such as Paystack, Moneyvi, bank deposits. And you can connect to multiple API at the same time, up to 5 API. Guys, all these things with the scripts. Guys, let me tell you this before I move you to my computer screen. You can use your smartphone to create one for yourself, even for your clients. Just follow the video and implement. So, any mind of procrastination, try and remove it from your mind. Let's move on to my screen where the practical aspect will be done fully. Alright, see you in the class. Alright guys, welcome to my screen. So can you see now, at the end of this video, you'll be able to create something like this. So can you see guys, this is the admin area of VTU websites. So this is the admin area. So can you see now, transaction and so on and so forth. So this is the admin area. So let me show you the user area, the end user area. So can you see now? Can you see guys? Can you see? So home, fund wallets, wallet transfer, transaction, pricing, so notification, profile, revera, and logout. So can you see now? So you can buy, user can buy airtime, can buy data, cable TV, electricity, exam pins. So can you see guys? Guys, let's move on into the training where the practical aspects will be done fully. Welcome to the practical aspects. I'm learning. Okay, let's go. First thing to have is that you must have your domain and hosting. You must have this my CPanel. So once you get, so what you have to do now is let's go to my SQL database. So we want to create a database now for our scripts. So we want to create a database. So let me create my database now. VTU class. Let me call it VTU class. So you can call it anyhow. So I've successfully created a database now. So let's go. Click on go back. So we want to add users. Add new users. Where is it? Okay. Add new user. Let me call it the same thing with your class. The same thing. Let me create a password for it. Let me call it VTU class at 2023. Let me call it VTU class. So at 2023. Okay. Let me type the password again. VTU class at 2023. Okay, we are moving. That is the first step we have to we are doing now. That is the first step we are doing now. Okay, we have successfully created the database now. Okay, let's go. Let's move on to, we want to add user to database now. Add user to database. So that is the VTU class. Can you see? Okay, can you see? Add. Let's add it to database. Okay, so we have to manage. Okay, our privileges, click on it. We want to manage user privilege, so make changes. Okay, we have successful privilege on the database. Okay, so try to copy this thing, copy it somewhere, so you will need it in the future. So copy it. Let me copy it here. Okay, so and the password we used to create our database. So let me type in my password now. VTU class at 2023. So just make sure you keep it somewhere. So let's go back to our CPanel now. Let's go back to our CPanel. So now we want to what we have to do now is that create a subdomain. Let's create a subdomain. So the reason why we are creating subdomain is that you want to upload your the front end of your design of your website, so there will not be conflict. So that is the reason I'm creating a subdomain for this script. So VTU, let me call it VTU class.db. So it's carrying my website name. So this is just a subdomain. So it's just like a folder. So can you see now? VTU class. So try to copy it somewhere. Let me just copy it somewhere. That is my my subdomain link. Let me copy it somewhere. Copy it somewhere now. Alright, let's go. Submit. Okay, you have successfully created a new domain with document root. Okay, that is the website name rather. Okay, let's go back to our CPanel. So we are moving guys. Okay, what we have to do now is that we want to create an email because of notification. In case of notification, if you get any notification, so they will now direct the message to your email. We call it webmail. Because it carry my website link. So let me call it VTU class. I'm just using this one as an example for you guys. Okay, VTU class admin at. Can you see now? It carry at. Okay, let me put in my password. Let me call it VTU class at 2023 as usual. So I will not forget. So you too can generate a password. So and I don't need to generate, so that is the reason I created it like that. So click on create. Can you see now? We have successfully create a web mail. Call it web mail. It's because it carry my website name. Okay, you can check email. So this is where you will see all the message they sent to you. where or when your client send message to you to your web mail. So this is where you will see your messages. Okay, can you see? Okay, let me click on it. I want to open it now. So this is where you will see your messages. Okay, and you see now, even they have sent message to the web mail. So this is your webmail username. Copy it. So make sure you save it somewhere. Let me save it somewhere here. I will need it later. Okay, save. Okay, let's go. So okay, this is your inbox draft sent message. So you can just check around. Okay, let's go back to our CPanel now. Let's go back to our CPanel. We are here in CPanel. So second step now, we want to import our scripts, our backend database. So we want to upload our backend database now. So let's go to, okay, this is what we use to create the database. So we want to import, so we go to my php my admin. So we want to import our database now. So can you see now? So that is our database we created. So VTU class, can you see? There's nothing here. So we want to import now. Let's import. So the script is here with me. So I want to import now. Let me import. Okay, this is the script. So the one that carry the SQL. So backend script. So upload. So can you see now that contain the SQL? So go down. Let's go down now. Let's go down. Okay, let's go down and import. I want to import now. Let me import. Error. Okay, what I have to do now is that let me download it back. Let me pause the video and download it from the source. So I will now import it. I have successfully imported the script now. Can you see now? Can you see? It's successfully import now. So can you see? Can you see? That is the database now. So what we have to do now is that let's go back to our file manager now. So let's go to file manager. I click on it now. We are here in file manager now. So that is the domain, the subdomain we created. So that is subdomain we created. So let's click on it. So can you see now? There's nothing here now. So let me just delete this one now. Delete, where are you? Okay, let me delete it. We have not importing anything yet. So we want to import now. We want to import the main script. We want to import the main script. So let's go, guys. We are moving. Okay, let's go, guys. It's loading. Okay, we want to import our main script, the back end script. The back end script. To import the back end script. So select file. So can you see now? So you have to upload the one that is zip file, not this one. So let's upload the one that is zip file. So don't make a mistake here. So whenever it's turned green, so that means it's uploaded successful. So when it's turned green, it's uploaded successful. Can you see now? Click on go back now. So after that, So we want to extract the file now. So right click on it, go to extract. So in that folder, so extract the file. So let it extract finish. So now let's close it now. Close. Okay, let's go. This is our file now. So can you see now? What I have to do now is that let me delete the file we uploaded. We don't need it anymore. Let me delete it. So can you see now? Let me just delete it. So for our website to get more space, so let me delete it. So let's go, guys. We are moving. So can you see now? Can you see now? What do we have to do now? Let's connect our database. So go to core folder, click on it. So go to models, click on it too. We are moving. So go to models.php. That is where we connect our database now. So for our database that we uploaded to work together with the backend script. So we want to connect everything together now. So don't do what's more than what I expected you to do here. So this is the database name. So we have already save it here. So just copy it, so and paste it there. Paste. So don't make the mistake here. Just be very careful. So so the same thing as this one too. So let me just delete this one and paste the same thing. So paste. So the password now, let me clear this one. So don't make the mistake here. Let the column be there. So don't make the mistake. Let me copy the password too. Copy the password. Okay. So let me clear. Paste. Let me paste now. So now the email we've created already. So let's clear the previous one. So we input our new Gmail. So that is our Gmail now. Let's copy it and paste. So we want to paste now. Okay, paste. Let's paste. So and then the password is VTU class at 2023. The same thing as this one. So the same thing as this one. That is what I used to create the email password. So let me just paste it there. Okay, at 2023. Okay, let's go. That is what we are here to do. So click on save changes. Okay, now close it. You can close. Don't do anything there again. So let's go to our CPanel now. We are here in our CPanel now. Okay, what we have to do now is that let's visit our website now. Let's visit our website. Okay, let's visit our website. Our website name is the VTU class.com. So we want to visit the admin area. So it must carry. So you have to include the admin/admin. So let's input the URL. So just put /admin. Oh, sorry. Let me do it again. Okay, /admin. So we want to access the admin area. So that is the admin area. Yes, can you see now? Can you see? So our default password is username and password is admin. username admin, password is also admin. Let's log in now. Yes, alert, login successful. Can you see now? This is your admin area. So this is where you will control all your services. Set your price and all the necessary things. So let's continue. So this is your admin area. This is your admin area. So dashboard. So can you see now? Okay. Let's do something now. We want to let's change the logo. So you can change it. You may leave it. This is your admin area. So it's only you that can have access to this area. So you can use this size. So you can just go to your canvas and use the same size to create it and then upload. Whenever you want to upload it, you should just rename it as this one, logo tag. Make it a PNG file. So what you have to do now is that click on overwrite and then upload it. So can you see I've created one? So I upload it now. It's turns green. Can you see now? It's turned green. Go back. It will overwrite. So can you see the logic I use now? So whenever I refresh this one now, it will now change. It will change definitely. I don't know why it's not changing. I think maybe it's network, but it will definitely change. It will definitely change as soon as possible. So let's continue. But this thing is supposed to change. It's supposed to change now. It's supposed to change. But okay. It's supposed to change. It's supposed to change. Let me refresh again. Alright guys. We are moving. We are moving. We are moving. Let's go. Okay. It's not changing. Let's continue. But it will slowly change. Okay. Let's go. Okay. This is the footer section now. We want to change the footer section to our own now. So we want to change the footer section. So let's go to your folder, your subdomain folder where we uploaded our script to. So that is where we are working right away. So go to your admin. Go to admin. Yes, admin. Where are you? Admin. Okay, this is admin. Okay, go to dashboard. Click on dashboard. Double click on it. Okay, includes. Okay, can you see the footer? So click on it and right click, edit. So after edit, click on edit again. So just check it. Okay, can you see now? This is where you will change the footer section. You can now change it to your home. You can change it to your home now. So let me just clear this one and put in my home. Let me just put in my home now. We are moving. So we have to edit it. We have to edit it to our home. So let's continue, guys. Okay. Hope I'm not so fast. So if you don't understand it, so just go back and restart the video. So just go back and play it again. So for you to get it right. So that is it. Okay, save changes. So don't make a mistake here too. Save changes. Yeah, let's refresh. It will definitely change. But I don't know why the logo is not changed. Because but I've already created the logo with the same size. But I don't know. Can you see now? It has changed. it's not changed. Okay, let's continue. Let's continue, guys. Okay, so guys, let me show you something here. So let's go to File Manager. I want to show you something here. So I want to show you the URL that you will use for end users. So can you see mobile login mobile? Can you see login mobile? So let's go. So just put in the URL, the subdomain URL. So it must carry the slash login. So can you see login? So for the end users. So for people to register. So can you see now the user? So for people to register. So okay, before I proceed, let's quickly change this. Let's change this first. Okay, go to your let's go to File Manager. We have to change it on File Manager. Okay, File Manager, to your subdomain. Okay, go to login. Mobile rather. Go to mobile. So login. Go to login. Where are you? So we want to quickly change the footer section of the login area. So let's change some settings there. Let's change it. So go down. So let's go down. Don't delete anything here. Don't delete anything there. So just go down. Okay, can you see now? So now this place, now edit it to your home. So license by, so just edit it to your home. I'm just putting in my home now, so you can now edit it to your home. So okay, edit it to your home. Let's go. Okay, yeah. So after you have done, don't forget to save changes. Don't do more than what I expected you to do there. So click on save changes. Okay, the reason why it have a 5 login page view is that it has a 5 login interface. So we can change that on your admin area. You can change it on your admin area. So let's change the second one too. It have 5 login interface. You can change the interface to your preferred one. It has only 5. So let's change it this one too. Okay, let's change it. You can change this one to your own too. So for end user to see that you are the owner of the website. It's so person that owns the website. So it's only you know the logic we are using here. So let's go. So let's change the third one now. Just click on just right click and edit. So right click and edit. So let's change. Don't delete anything. And be very careful. So let me just put in now. Okay, we are good to go. This class is very expensive. Okay, all right, we are going there. We are moving. So I'm editing it to my home. You can also do yours. It's very simple. It's very simple. Just be careful. Click save changes. Don't forget to click save changes and close. So let's go to the okay, wait. Okay. I think let's go for the last one. Can just edit it. It has 5 interface, so that is the reason it has login PHP. Almost 5. So okay, let's go. Let's do the same here now too. Let's do the same thing here too. So okay, click save changes, close. Give me only one. So can you see it now? Can you see it? It's changed successful. So let's register now. New user. Okay, let's quickly change this one too. So let's go to our CPanel. Let's go to CPanel. So let's go to File Manager. So let's go to the folder we created, that is subdomain. Click on it. So let's go to mobile, not this one, mobile. Okay, click on it, double click on it. So let's open. Okay, login, recovery, register. So this is where we edited the previous one, that is the login interface. So the login interface footer. Let's go for the register now. Let's go for register now. Okay, let's click on it. Edit. So edit, click on edit. Okay, it's loading. So you have to be careful very well here. Careful very well. Okay, go down. Okay, go down. I've not used the place. Go down. So this is it. Can you see it now? So edit it to your home. So I want to edit my own now. Click on save changes. So that is that on that. So you can edit that one to close. So let me go for the register for, because that is the current interface I'm using right away. So I want to edit it. So just to show you how it works. Okay, let's go down. Let's go down. Okay, this is it. What's the place? Okay, go down, go up. What's the place? Okay, this is it. Edit it. Try to edit it to your own. So change anything there. So just make sure you don't make a mistake. So let's click on refresh now. So can you see it now? Can you see it? So let's register now. Let me put in my first name. Let me put in my name. My name is Aderegbigbe Isaac Pamilerin. Okay, let me put in my number. So 8139300875. Okay, let me put in my active Gmail. So let me just put in one of my Gmail. So put in one of my Gmail. Let me continue. Let me continue. Okay. The next step is, let me choose state of origin. Let me just put in Osun State because I'm a from Osun. Let me put in my password. Let me put in my password. Put in my password. Okay, let me confirm the password too. Confirm the password. Alright. Let me put in my PIN, my transaction PIN. So let me put in my transaction. So in case you want to make any transaction on your websites. So alert is successful now. Successful now. Okay. Right. Okay. A verification code has been sent to your email. Please provide the code to verify your account. So they have sent the code to my Gmail now. So what I have to do now, I have to input the code here. So let me put it the code 678 9. Okay, let me verify. So let's go, guy. All right. Okay. Can you see now? Email verification successful. All right. Okay. This is the admin area. So can you see? So I will change the number now. This number I will change it later. So it's for the admin. It's for admin. So I will change it. So home, fund wallets, wallet transfer, and so on and so forth. So okay. So let's check it. Let's check around. This is the user area. So for people to buy data, cable, electricity, something. So that is it. Okay. What's next to do is now is that we want to go to our CPanel now to change some settings. So to change some settings. So let's go to our PHP my admin. Want to change some settings. So you want to change, you want to edit it to our home. Go to our database now. We are here in our database now. Let it load. Click on it. So go to system users. System users. You want to edit. Let me quickly tell you this. So this is where you will change your admin password if you want to change it. So you want to change your admin password. This is where you can change it. So let me change it. So I just want to show you how this is function. Let me change it to 23. Let me change it to VTU class. Let me change it to VTU class. Change it to VTU class. Okay. Let me change it to okay. I've successfully changed it now. Let's go to our admin dashboard now to see the changes. It's loading. It's loading. It's loading. All right. Okay. This is the admin area. So I want to do some changes now. We have changed the password. So let me put in the username now. Admin. You know I've already changed the password. Let me now change it. Put the new password now. VTU class. Yeah, can you see now? It's logging successful. So that is how that is work. I just want to show you just to know where you can change the admin password. Okay, Let's move on. Let's move on. Let me close this one. Let's move on. Let's go to our CPanel. Where's PHP? Where's my PHP, my admin? Where is it? Okay, this is my PHP. Okay, let's do another setting. So let's change the system name now. So that is the admin name. Let's change it to, you can change it to anything. Let me change it to VTU class. Let me change it to VTU class. VTU class. Alright. Click outside. It's safe. Can you see now? It's changed. Okay. Let's go to site setting. Site setting for admin. So it will reflect on user account. So it will reflect on user account. Let me change the site name to VTU class. Site URL. Let me change it to my website name. You can change it to your website name. You can change it to any website. So can you see now? I'm changing it now. I'm changing it now. Okay, will be the concepts. Alright, let's go. Upgrade agents, vendor agents. So this is it. You can change that. Let me change this API documentation. Let me just put in my, let me just put in dbdconcept.com .ng documentation. Alright, so let me change the number to my number in case they want to contact me. They want to contact the admin. So let me just change the number now. In case they want to contact the admin. In case they want to contact the admin. So this is it. Okay. Let me just put it like that. Alright. Let's go. What's next to do now? Let's go and refresh now. Where is it? Let's go and refresh. Yes, let's refresh. Oh, okay. Yeah, let's refresh. Did you see the changes? Can you see now? It's changed successful. Change successful now. It's changed successful. I see something now. Oh, right. This is what we have been changing since. So everything is okay right now. Okay, can you see now? Let's go to system user. So this system user, this is where you want you want someone to manage your website for you. You can now add the new user here. So if you want someone to manage your website for you, can add new user. So you can add new user here. You can just put in the full name, put in his Gmail, username, password. You can make it super admin, assistant admin. So anyone you like, then add. You can block users. So if you like, so subscribers. So this subscriber is where all your subscribers. This is where you can add more. Where you see all your subscribers, all people that register on your platform. You can add new one by yourself as an admin. So you can add new subscribers. So credit users as an admin, you can credit the users. So let me do an example for you. So let me just put in my Gmail. Let me put in my Gmail. I want to credit my account now, my wallet. Let me credit. Let me credit 3,000. Let me use as bonus. So I want to credit my wallet. So that money, that wallet now, you can use it to buy data, anything you want to buy on your platform. So you can credit the user by yourself. So let's check the changes now. Let me refresh. Let's refresh. Let's refresh. All right. Okay. Can you see now? Can you see 3,000? So they will send message to you. They will send message to the user that someone's admins have created the wallet for him. Okay, let me debit the accounts now. Let me debit now. I want to debit now. So you can debit, you can credit. Okay. What happened? What's happened? What's happened? Okay. Let me just pause. Where's pause? Let me pause now. Let me pause. Okay, let's continue. Let me do it again. Let me that is the no balance. Let me now debit now. I want to debit the account. So with that the same Gmail. So I want to debit now. Update wallet. It will definitely debit. So they will send message to the user. So that there is debit transaction on his account. So let's check now. Let's check. So we are going there. We are going there. We are going there. Yeah. All right. Can you see now? Let's check. Can you see? Can you see? 0 naira. So it's work. So next thing to do is now let's go to services. In these services, that is what we do in this platform that come with the script. So we have airtime, data, cable. So here let's put discount for our for our airtime. So MTN. So the website you are connecting to, so you buy it at 99 naira. So you can buy it, assuming, I'm just assuming you buy it at 96 naira. So user pay 99, agent pay 98, vendor pay 87. So the way you like it, you want to put your market. So it's your own. You are the owner of the website, you are the owner of this thing. So you can just put any amount you like. So let's do it for Glow 2. So you buy it at 96, you pay 87. So I'm still coming into details of this. I'm still coming into details. So that is how you will do everything one after the other. The one that is not there, you can add new. So another one, let's go to data plans. So manage data plans. So here you can delete, you can add new, you can edit. So let me just edit this one, 500 megabytes. So MTN 500 megabytes. So that is MTN 500 megabytes. SME. So there's corporate, there's gifting. So plan ID. I'm still coming back to this too. I'm still coming back to the plan ID. So you are going to get the plan ID from website you are connecting to. So duration is 30 days. So you buy it at 10 and just buy it 103 and sell it any amount you like. Then let me just put in 150. Let me put in 150. You buy it 103 and you sell it 150. So let's go for agents. Let me put in 110. Let me put in 110, 105. So anyhow you like, you want to put your market, is your own. So after that, you can, if you need more, you can add new. So that is that on that. Let's go to cable TV now. So there's nothing here. So there is no data available in table. So add new. Let me add new. Just to show you an example. So go TV name. Let me just write Jolly. Jolly. Okay. Day. 30 days. Validation. So plan ID. So it's the website you are connected to. That is where you will get the plan ID. So buying price. Assuming you buy it at 1,000 naira. You buy it from the website you connect it to at 1,000 naira and sell it 1,200 naira. You gain 200 naira from this. So agent price, you gain 100 naira. Vendor price, you gain 100 naira. So can you see now? Then add plan. So let me just write one ID. So I'm coming back to it later. So let me just write it like that. So add new. All right. Okay. Let's go to another one. Let's go to electricity bills. So if you want to pay for electricity, so that is that and that. That is that. So Keja is there, Ibadan, all the electricity payments, sir. All electricity payments. So let's go to another one now. Let's go to another one. Exam pin now. You can buy exam pins, charge pin, whatever you want to buy. Okay, let's go to transaction. So this is where you will see all transaction that is occur on your website. This is where you will get all the transaction history that occur on your website. So if you credit user, you see it. If you debit user, you see it. If someone buy data on your platform, you will see it. If someone buy airtime, anything they buy on your website, you will see it here. So let's go to sell analysis. The sell analysis is the general sell analysis for a particular day. So you will see the profits, what you sell for a particular day, the successful transaction, the failed transaction, and so on and so forth. All right. So let's go to another place now. So I click on sending message now. So in case you want to send message to your users, for a particular user, you want to send message to that person. So let me just type in subject now. Can you see now? Okay, MTN. Let me just put in MTN. Okay, send message for. Let me put in the Gmail. So let me now write the message I want to send to a particular users, for a particular user. So I'm typing the message now. So can you see now? Okay. Okay. We are moving. We are moving, guys. So I'm typing the message now. After done on this message now, so click on send. So can you see message sent successful? So they have sent the message to my Gmail, the Gmail I used to send the message to. So they have sent it to me. So let's go to another place. That is how that works. How that work. So this place, this is notification status. So it is the welcome message. If anybody log into your user area, so is the what? Is the welcome message. So can you see now? I've disabled it, so it's not showing anything now. So let me go and enable it back. Can you see now? It's not show. So let me enable it back now. Enable. Okay, now let's check how that work. Let's check. Why is not show? Okay. Why is not show? Okay, let me update. I've not yet updated, so let me now update and check. Okay, let's check now. Okay. Okay. It's refreshing now. Can you see now? Can you see it's now working perfect? So let's check the message. So this is the message. That is the message. So let's refresh again. Let's refresh again. Oh, all right. Can you see now? Account message. So that is how that works. So you can delete. You can delete it. You can add new message. So let me add new subject welcome message. So message for, so you can let user see it, subscriber or agent. So general, so you can let everybody to see it. So that's how that works. So you can now type in your message. So once they log into user area, so we now see the messages. So can you see now? So general, so everybody will see it. But when you choose agent, so only agent can see the message, and then subscriber too. So that's how that works. So after that, you can now click update. On update, let's check now. Let's check now. Let's refresh. So I put it on general, so everybody will see it. So now it's overlaying the previous message. So let me just delete this one now. Let me delete it. Okay. All right. So let's go to site setting now. Site setting. So this is site setting. So you can now edit this place. Okay. Where is it? Okay. Okay. No. Sorry. I'm looking for something. So where's my CPanel? Okay. Yes. PHP my admin. So this is the place. Can you see? VTU class. Can you see now? Can you see? So you can change it here. You can change it in at CPanel too. So here. So this is the bank details. So this is where you put your bank details for manual funding. So if you want to fund your user wallet. So they will now send money to your account. So you can now fund the wallet for them. So that is my details. So I'm putting my details. You can set your own too. So just for manual funding. So just for manual funding. So I'm putting my name, Isaac Aderibigbe. That is my account name. So let me put in my account number. Let me put in my account number. So is that okay? Electric electricity charges. So you can put anything, any charges, any amount you want to charge for electricity. So it's your site, so you can do anything you like on it. So just set it anyhow how you like it. So Airtime purchase minimum upgrade free. So this is the agent upgrade free. So if you want any amount you want your agents user to upgrade their account, if they want to upgrade their account, you can set it like that. So wallet to wallet transfer, that one is also there. Referral bonus, so you can set anyhow you like it. So I'm just using this one as an example for you guys, just to know. So let's move on. So after that, click on update. So make sure you update your settings before you leave. So this is site contact details. So contact, can you see? Can you see now? Okay, let me put in my support email address. So you know we have already created an email address for this site. So let's go and copy it. So let's go to email. Where is email? So copy it and paste it there. So in case of any message, so they can now direct message to your email account. So copy it now. Copy. All right. Okay. Let me paste. So .com.ng. So WhatsApp number. Let me just put in my WhatsApp number, so they can direct message to your WhatsApp number. So in case you have a WhatsApp group link for this service, you can put the link here. You have an Instagram link, you can put it. So any link you want to put, you can put. So click on update. That is that on that. So let's go to network setting. So here, in case you have an downtime network, so if you want to disable any particular services, you can disable it. So let's try it now. So disable. So click on update. So I want to disable one particular MTN network, MTN service now. Airtime. Click on Airtime. So we want to check now. Sorry. Let me. Okay, here is contact. So that is our details. So you can send message to your WhatsApp now. So let's click on Airtime now. Airtime, where are you? Airtime. Okay, this is Airtime. You want to check how that work. Click on it. Okay. So let's check now. Can you see? MTN is not there again. So I've disabled it. So I've disabled MTN network generally. So can you see now? I've disabled it now. So let's check data. MTN for MTN generally, both data and Airtime. So can you see now? I've disabled it. So let me see now. So let me now enable it back.
enable. So let me update now. Update. So guys, now, so let's go and check now. Let me refresh. Okay, let's check now. Can you see MTN is now available? Let's check data too. So it's now available. So you can do it for other network. That is for the MTN generally. So you can do it for other network. Yeah, so if you want to enable recharge card, you can enable it. If you want to MTN VTU, if you want to disable it, if you want to enable it, you can go for that also. So that is that on this. You can do it for other network now. You can do it for other network. So Airtime, you can do it for Glow, you can do it for 9mobile. So that is that on that. That is that on that. So this is the MTN network ID. So I'm still coming back here in details, in full details. So I'm still coming back here in full details. So let's continue. Let's continue. So our next one is network. Which one? Okay. API setting. Let's go to API setting now. API setting. So this is where you connect to another website that is offering your services. So this is your API setting. So I will use Masker WhatsApp. So they are reliable platform that you can connect your website to. So they are reliable and very cheap. You can buy data from them. So just connect your website to that website list. Let me put in the link. WhatsApp.com. So it's loading now. It's loading. Yes, that is their front end now. So for new user, you can now register. So you can register with them. So I have account with them. So let me just log in. Let me log in my account now. Let me log in my account. Username and password. Login. Let me log in now. So it's loading. All right. Okay. This is their back end dashboard. So that is their back end dashboard. So click OK. So this is their website. This is where we are connecting to. So go to their developer API. So that is where you will see API documentation, and then you will see their data, their ID. That is where you will see their ID. So you set everything one after the other. So developer API. So let's copy it. So let me copy the API. Can you see? So I want to copy it now. Let me copy it. So we now paste it. We paste. Okay. That is for the cable. So general setting. So yeah, you connect with them now. So okay, let's copy it. Let's paste it here now. So wallet. So I will name this one now. Okay, let's firstly copy it. Let's copy it first. Let's paste it first. So I want to paste now. Paste. So choose Mascawa sub. So then now rename it. So it will now reflect on your what? On your dashboard. On your dashboard, it will now reflect. So if you want to connect to another website, you go for that. So you can connect to three to four websites at the same time. So you have three wallet accounts. So can you see now? I've input the API key, so it's now connected to each other now. So it's connected to each other. Can you see? So okay, so if you want to connect to your Paystack account, so this is where you put your API key. So in this channel, I've created a video on how to register a verified Paystack account. So you can check the channel and look for the video. So let's go. So let me log in now. So I just want to show you how to where you will see the API documentation on Paystack. So this is just for, so in case you want to sign up, you can sign up. So let me just log in. Let me log in. Okay, it's loading. Let me log in. Paystack is just for automatic funding of wallets. So it is an automatic funding for users to fund their wallet. So can you see? It's live. My account is live. So I've created a video on that. So check my channel to look for the video. So just go to settings. Setting, where are you? So go to setting. Setting. So can you see? API keys. So go to API keys. So can you see? Just copy the live secret key. So you can even generate a new one. So just copy it. So I want to copy now. So I need to input my password before I copy. So you will have a password for that. So can you see now? Can you see? That is their charges. So you want to turn it off, you can deactivate it. You can also activate it. So just copy your secret key and paste it there. So that is that on that. Okay, let's go to another setting now. Manage accounts. So I click on it. So this is where you can manage your accounts. You can change the password. So you cannot change the admin. So you can change your password. So notes, leave the below input empty if you don't want to update your password. Can you see now? Can you see? So that is where you can. So after that, update your details. So let's go to services now. Okay, let's go to data. Let's go to data plan. Now, so let's go to the site you want to connect to now. So this is the site we are connecting to now. So let me just use one as an example. So make sure you very be careful here.
cable here very well. So let me choose the SME 500 megabytes. So let me copy the ID. So let me click on edit now. Can you see now? Click on edit. Let me choose. Okay, let me input the ID now. Can you see the? So that plan ID is very important. So duration is 30 days. So let me check the buy price. My buy price is 115. So let me now put in. So let me put it now. 115. Okay. Now user price. So you are the owner of your site. So any amount you can put. So I put 150 for user price, agent price. So vendor price. Anyone use just use to use. So let's continue. Let's continue. Just follow the way I'm doing it. So let me go for another one. Okay, this is the plan ID. I copy it. So can you see the way I'm doing it? Okay, let me paste. Alright. Buy price. Let me check the buy price. Okay, it's 218. It's 218, I can remember. Okay, user price. I can just put any amount I wish. So let me put agent's price. Let me put agent price. So this is the vendor price. Let me just put in to 20. So let me update. Once you update, it will be available on your site. So let me just use that as an example. I'm still coming to life, so we see how everything is automatic. Everything is automatic. Okay, let's go to another one now. Let's go to another one. Let me add new. Let me add new. Let me choose Glow. Airtime. Let me choose Airtime. Let me choose Airtime. Okay. Let me check Airtime. Let me go for Airtime. Let me go down Airtime. Okay, Go is up. So let me just choose this one as an example. 300 megabytes. Can you see now? Corporate. Let me copy it. 300 megabytes. Let me just copy it like that. Okay. It's 18 naira. Can you see 18 naira? I'm buying at the rate of 18 naira. So let me copy that to 18 naira. Okay, let me go for 30 days. That is for 30 days. I'm coming. Let me just, can you see it's 30 days corporate? So they are corporate gifting. Can you see corporate gifting? They call it CG. Let me just put in 316. This is for 30 days. Corporate CG. Let me put CG. MTN megabytes. 300 megabytes CG. Okay. The plan ID. Okay, let me go for this. Buy price. Let me sell him. Can you see 120? Buy it at 80 naira. For user is 120, agent is 100 naira, vendor 100 naira. Let me now copy the plan ID. If the plan ID is not correct, the data will not be successful. It will not work. So just make the plan ID is correspond to each other. Let it correct. Make it correct. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Let's move on. We are getting there. We are getting there. Okay. Let's go to cable TV. Let's set our cable TV plan ID now. So Jolly. Let's go to the site we are connected to. Go down, 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 down. Let's go down, 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 down. Go down, 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 down. Okay. Alright. Okay. This is it. Let's go for Jolly. Let me use Jolly as example. Okay. Plan ID is 17. The plan ID is 17. Plan ID is 17. Jolly. Okay. Plan ID is 17. Alright. Buying price is 3,300. 3,300. 3,300. Let me paste. Okay. So user price. So my user can buy it at the rate of 35. So that is commission of 200 naira. Can you see now? That is how you generate income. So agent buy 34, vendor buy 34. So can you see now? Click on update. So go TV. Can you see go TV? DSTV is there. So anyone. So click on update. So it's loading. Okay. You can still add new. So you can add new. Add new DSTV. Then put in your. Let me go for DSTV. Let me use. So go TV Max. Go TV 450. Go TV Max. It's loading. I'll just put in there. Plan ID. Duration for 30 days. Buy price. Can you see now? 4830. 4850. 4850. So I can sell it. Let me just put anything I like. 5,000. Put 5,000. 449. I just put 49. For I just put this. I just put in. Okay. 4850 449. Let me put it 49. So update. You can update. Okay. That is that on that. So electricity. Let's go for electricity bill. So Ikeja electricity ID. So just go to the site you are connecting to. Check the electricity. Okay, this where is it? Okay, this is for the electricity. So Ikeja electricity plan ID is 1. Ikeja electricity. Can you see now? Plan ID is 1. So just okay, it's 1. You can enable it if you want to enable. You can disable it if you want to disable. So click on update. So let's go for second one. Let's go to the second one. That's how you will set everything one after the other. That is how you will. So you see now. Let's go to another one. Kano. Let's go to Kano electricity ID. So let's check for the Kano electricity ID. So I cannot do everything. I don't want this video to long like that. So let me check Kano. Kano is 4. Kano is 4. Let me just put in Kano 4. So click on update. So you can go for another one. Port Harcourt. Let's go for the Port Harcourt. Port Harcourt is 6. Port Harcourt is 6. Copy. Port Harcourt is 6. So 6. Click on update. That is how it is. So edit your own yourself. So let's go to another place now. Let's go to for another place. Okay. Let's all right. We are still moving. We are still moving there. We are still moving there. Let's go to network ID now. Network list. So you have to change this on your CPanel. You have to change this on your CPanel. So go to your my PHP my admin. Go to PHP my admin. Yes, PHP my admin. Okay, this PHP my admin. That is where you change your the network ID. That is where you can change your the network ID. Click on the VTU class. Okay, go to network kit. That is where you change it. So can you see now everything? Can you see network ID? That is where you change the network ID. So that is it. Can you see network ID? Network ID. Where is it? Where is it? Okay. Network ID. Where is it? Alright. Okay. Just click on it. And go to edit and do all the necessary thing. So I want to change it now. So you have to do it. You can edit like that. Double click on it. So yeah, MTN is 1, Glo is 2. MTN is 1, Glo is 2. MTN is 1. So Glo. So let me change Glo now. Glo is 2. So just click outside and it will save successful. So let's go to for that one. Name mobile is 3. Name mobile is 3. Name mobile is 3. Okay. Name mobile is 3. Let me put in name mobile. Okay. Ether is now 4. You can check for you to confirm. So Ether is 4. Ether is 4. Okay. Let's continue now. We have successfully changed that. Okay. Let's go to our user area now. Yeah. So let's change some settings here too. Let's go to Airtime. Click on Airtime now. So what this source code, we want to change the source code. So what this code now to the latest one we are using now. So we want to change the source code now. Let's go to our CPanel. Go to File Manager. Go to the subdomain created. So click on it. So let's go to mobile. After mobile, go to home. Go to buy airtime. Go to home. Buy airtime. Can you see it? Buy airtime. So click on edit. Click on edit. So right click and then click edit. After that, so now go down. go down. Just be very careful here. So can you see can you see it? So can you see? So change it to the latest USD code we are using now. So let me now change it now. Let me change it. Okay. Change it. Okay. Just leave that. So just to show you how you can change change that. So let's refresh now. Let's refresh. All right. So see, can you see it now? Can you see it now? So that is where you can change that. So let's go to for the data. So can you see MTN SME star 46? That is the previous USD code. So go to buy data. So that is where you can change that. Right click on edit. So edit. So now go down. Okay, can you see now? Can you see? So this is where you can change the second for the SME. That is how you do it. So I don't want you to be asking me how how can we do it. So that is the reason I make a video on this. That is why I'll make a video on this. So I just want everything to be easy for you guys. So I'll change it like this. Changing it. Okay. I think it's 01. Okay. So just come here and change it to the latest USD and USSD code. So close. We are refresh it. Let's refresh and check. Let's refresh now. Can you? It's loading. It's loading. It's loading. It's loading. It's loading. Oh, all right. Let's check now. Can you see now? Can you see? Can you see it now? So that is that on that. Now we want to change our site name. So let's go to so this is what we want to change now. This is what we want to change the site name. Can you see that step? So we want to change it. Go to your CPanel, file manager. So go to file manager. So go to subdomain. Go to subdomain. So go to core folder. So core folder to helpers. So now go to helpers. Can you see it? So go to now vendor. Go to vendor. So go now to site.php. Right click, edit, click on edit again. So this is where you will change the site name to your own. So that is user area. So just change it to your home. Let me just put in VTU class. I'll put in VTU class. VTU class. So let's change it now. Yes. So can you see now? So let's now refresh. Let's refresh now. Let's refresh. Let's see how that is going. Can you see now? VTU class 2023. So it's perfect now. Our site is perfect. So the next thing to do now is to change of art. So can you see the art that is moving all around? So can you see the art? So you want to just try to create your art like this something like this. You want to create. So can you see the render size? So that is the size of the image. Once you create your design like that, so go to Easy Lab or go to Canvas and create something very nice with that same size, and then just rename it. So I'll show you how that is done now. So go to file manager to subdomain, from subdomain to assets. So let's click it one after the other. Subdomain to the assets. So go to the assets. So can you see now art? Can you see the art? Art. So see the art. So just limit accordingly. Art 1, art 2, art 3. Save it as PNG. Don't forget that. That is the art. It's 3 in number. So that is how you can change that. Just save it as PNG. Name it as art 1. Can you see? Art 1. The second one art 2. So then click on upload. After you have done that, overwrite existing file. So select file and then choose your file, then open. Just choose, when the file is here, just locate the where the file is, then open. After that, you are good to go. You are good to go. So once you see the green green color, that means it's successful upload. So do it for the second one, do it for the third one. That is how that is done. Okay. So okay, let's do something now. So let me go to the website we are collecting to. So I want to phone the website. I want to phone my wallet there for my account. I want to phone my wallet. Okay, that is their account number. So you have to phone the wallet of the website you are connecting to. So for your service and for your site to be active, so go to fund wallet. So there is Sterling Bank, Rema Bank, Money Point, Fidelity. So let me just use one. Let me use Fidelity. Let me copy their account number. So let me just pause. So let me fund my wallet now. Can you see? Can you see the previous balance? So now I've successfully fund my wallet now. I've successfully fund my wallet. So what I have to do now is that, can you see now? Can you see? So let me check my dashboard now. So it will definitely reflect. It will definitely reflect. I mean, can you see now? 483. 483. So can you see? So let's move on. Let's move on. So what you have to do now is that before I proceed, can you see my balance now? So let me just let me credit my account now. I want to credit my account, my user account. So that is my Gmail. Put in my also credits. So I want to credit 500 naira now. Reason, let me just put bonus update wallet. So immediately I send that. Can you see now? Can you see uh, my phone screen now? The message apps top up. So let's see now. Let's see how that is work. So MTN says okay. All right. Can you see now? 500 naira on my wallet now. So I can now use it to buy data. I can use it to buy airtime. So let's proceed now. Can you see now? That is 500 naira card. Okay. What we have to do now is that we want to buy airtime now. Let's buy airtime. So I click on airtime. So it's loading. It's loading. It's loading. All right. Okay. Let me select the network VTU. So choose VTU. Put in my number. So can you see identify network is verified. So that means our API key is function. Our API key with the website you are collecting to is function. So let's buy airtime now. All right. So yeah, let me just put in my transaction pay. You know, we use 2023 initially. So let's move on. Server or network. You may be encounter this problem. It may be your API key for network. It may be API key for network. So let's go to our dashboard now. Let's check. So let's check. So you have to copy it. Copy this one, my authorization token. So just copy it, go to Airtime and paste it there. Just simple as that. Paste it. So paste. That is how you will do for every services. So I want to paste this also, then update. Make sure you update your work. So let's move on. So I want to paste it here too for cable API key. So that is how you will do for everything. Cable TV, so electrics meter. So that is how you will update everything in case you encounter that kind of problem. So that is how that is done. So let's go to another one now. I think I've done this already. So let's go to data now. So I want to text everything one after the other. I'm pasting it. So MTN gifting, same thing, because we are collecting to one website. We are connecting to one website. So we have done that already. Let's check. So we have done this already. So this makes our network identify. So it makes it to identify our network. So let's move on. So let's try it now. Let's try it now. It will definitely work. So let me choose MTN, VTU, put in my number. So it's identify the network. That is our API key that is function. The previous one we did that is the wallet API key we did already. So that makes that identify the network. So let me just put in my transaction pin and then continue. Wow, can you see now? Can you see? Can you see? Can you see the same time? Can you see 1840? That is the same time, 7 August 2023, 6:40 p.m. Can you see? Same thing. So the naira to my account. So let's go to data now. Let's go for data. Let's try data also. SME. Let me just put in 500 megabytes. So just to text. Just to text. So can you see my phone screen now? Can you see my phone screen? So I'm just exploring this our website now. So can you see 150? I'm paying 150 for this service. So let me just put in my transaction pin 2023. So continue. So let's watch. Processing. Alright. Can you see now? Transaction successful. Let's wait for our message. Can you see now? You receive 500 megabytes data. So can you see now? That is fantastic. Can you see now? You have successfully received 500 megabytes at the same time. So let's try another one. Let's try another another one now. Let's try another one. Let me go for MTN too, because I'm only use MTN network. So let's try MTN. So put in my details as usual. So I'm just putting amount. Let me go for 100 naira. Let me go for 100 naira. I'm paying 99 naira, 1%. So you can just set it. That is how I set my. So let me just put in my transaction pin. Continue. It's processing. Can you see now? Can you see, guys? Can you see? So our balance remain 53. So can you see, guys? So before I go, let me quickly show you this. So can you see my balance in there? So it reflects on my admin area. Can you see now? That is the user wallet. Let me show you. Let me show you my user wallet. So can you see now? Can you see? That is my user wallet 53. Can you see now? 53. So that is the Mascawa sub, the website we are connected to. Can you see now? So let's go down. So visit area. So that is the visit area. That is where you will see the total number of people that visit your website for a particular day. So that is that on that. So this is your transaction history. Now I think I have talked on this already. So that is your transaction history. Can you see now? That is transaction history. So let's move on. Let's go to services. I want to show you something now. Airtime discounts. So this is where you will set your airtime discounts. So just check the website you are connecting to. Check their price before you set. Check their price before you set your own. It's loading. So you can edit. Can you see now? You buy ads. So just check the website you are connecting to. Just use it to set the user area, the user pay, agent pay, and vendor pay. Then update. That is that on that. That is how you do it for all the other networks. So that's that on that. So let's check one thing again. Cable electricity example. So that is the service this script is rendering. Menu, let me go menu. Let me check my profile where you can change your password, the user area password, where your user can change their password. So that is the referral link. Can you see the referral link? Your commission. So changing of password in case you want to change your user area password. So this is where your user can change their password. This is the transaction pin. So put the old pin and then put your new pin and update. So that is how that works. Guys, this is the end of our back end tutorial. I would love to see you in my next video. So in my next video, I will show you how to design the front end of this website. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you guys in my next video. Thank you and God bless you. Good day.